How to use Shift Lock on Roblox Mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Roblox Mobile. Click on any game you want. After your game is opened, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. On the top left corner of your screen, you'll find Roblox icon. Simply click on it. In here, go to Settings at the top, which is the second option. In Settings, you'll find Camera Mode. Make sure you click on the arrow which is on the right side and make it Classic. After it's Classic, you're good to go. This is how to use Shift Lock on Roblox Mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.